Hello class, welcome to Practical 4. This practical takes us into the world of matrix operations, specifically matrix multiplication. The aim is to implement matrix multiplication in two fundamentally different ways. 1. Using simple nested loops, the manual, traditional way. Though, using the powerful NumPy module, the modern, efficient way. This contrast will clearly show you the power and efficiency of Python libraries in data science and engineering. Part 1. Matrix multiplication using nested loops, the logic. In this section, we are performing multiplication using only Python's built-in data structures, lists of lists, and standard loops. This forces us to understand the underlying mathematical rule. The rule, row by column. Remember that to multiply matrix A, size m guna k, by matrix B, size k guna n, the number of columns in A must equal the number of rows in B. Our matrices are 2 guna 2, so this rule is satisfied. The element at position I, j, in the result matrix is calculated by taking the ith row of A and multiplying it element by element with the jth column of B, then summing the products. Result, I, j, equals k A, I, k, guna B, k, j. Code breakdown. Code block. Role in the calculation. Explanation. A equals 1, 2, 3, 4. Input matrix A list of 2 lists, a 2 guna 2 matrix. B equals 5, 6, 7, 8. Input matrix B another 2 guna 2 matrix. Result equals 0, 0, 0, 0. Result initialization. We initialize the result matrix with zeros. We will add to these zeros during the calculation. For I in range, len, A, outer loop, rows of result, I iterates over the rows of matrix A and the resulting matrix. This determines which row we are calculating. I equals 0, 1. For j in range, len, B, 0, middle loop, columns of result, j iterates over the columns of matrix B and the resulting matrix. This determines which column we are calculating. J equals 0, 1. For k in range, len, B, in a loop, the summation, k iterates over the dimensions being multiplied and summed. It ensures we multiply every element in the A row by every element in the B column. K equals 0, 1. Result, I, j, jod equals A, I, k, tarankan B, k, j, the core formula for every pair of I and j. This line executes the summation rule. It multiplies the element from A's row I with the element from B's column j and adds it to the running total in result, I, j. Export to Sheets. Example calculation for result, 0, 0, 1, I equals 0, j equals 0. 2, k equals 0, result, 0, 0, jod equals A, 0, 0, tarankan B, 0, 0, 1 times 5 equals 5, 3, k equals 1, result, 0, 0, jod equals A, 0, 1, tarankan B, 1, 0, 2 times 7 equals 14, 4. Total, 5 plus 14 equals 19. Correct. Part 2. Matrix multiplication using NumPy, the modern way. The first method was important for understanding the math. This second method is what you will use in almost all real-world applications. The role of NumPy. NumPy, numerical Python, is the foundational library for numerical computation in Python. It provides a high-performance array object and tools for working with these arrays. When dealing with matrices, NumPy is exponentially faster and simpler than using nested Python lists. Code line concept explanation. Import NumPy as np. Import library. We import the NumPy library and commonly give it the alias np for short. A equals np. Array, 1, 2, 3, 4. Array definition. We convert our standard Python list of lists into a high-performance NumPy array. This is crucial for accessing NumPy's optimized methods. Result equals np. A, b. The multiplication function. The np. Function is the single command that executes the entire complex matrix multiplication